Hey guys, let's transform a Dollar Tree plastic platter into a Lilly-inspired rope tray to use as a front entry key and sunglass keeper. Let's dive in. Starting off with the clear plastic platter from Dollar Tree. I love palm trees, and I wanted a pattern that is Lilly Pulitzer inspired. This was so colorful, and I was really attracted to the dark blue palm trees. I'm mixing white paint with baking soda for some texture. I just didn't want the piece to look like it was just painted. I love the texture that the baking soda provides, and it can be adjusted for more or less texture depending on your preference. I loved the finish, but I pivoted and decided that I wanted this tray to have a warm denim look. I began to paint it a dark blue. After that, I went in with some white paint and blended it with a damp paper napkin to create that relaxed, worn look. The blue is Admiral Blue by Apple Barrel, and the white is Cloud White by Deco Art. Measure and cut your fabric so it fits on the bottom of the tray. Next, I used this convenient spray adhesive that I got at Dollar Tree to attach the fabric to the tray. This is a non-aerosol spray, and you can safely use it indoors. The rope cord I got from Hobby Lobby. Carefully hot glue the rope using just enough to attach the cord so that the glue doesn't go up the sides. Less is best. Cut 4 strands of rope for each side. I know that you see 3, but it looks much better with 4. Attach the ends to the underside with your hot glue gun. I really loved how this turned out. Such a cheerful way to keep those important items from being misplaced. Another option to consider for your summer tray is to use it as a backdrop in a bookshelf or table console. I will show you here propped up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. We went from eek to chic for under $6. Please subscribe and share with all your coastal friends. See you next time.